Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today our topic is how to organize tasks in Asana. So this is very simple method. Just click on My Tasks. Now this is the interface. Now you can organize your task here. Just you can click on Start. There are multiple options available here. You can use all these options to organize your task. Even you can use all the customize option, due dates, projects, tags. These all options are available here. So you can also click on all tasks, completed tasks, incompleted tasks. So this is the complete list of your tasks. You can also click on incompleted tasks, completed task, all tasks. So select the option and incompleted and completed all tasks will be shown here. You can also add a new task. Now type the task name. You can also add the date, month, year. So this is the simple way to organize all your tasks in Asana.